Once again, please welcome to the stage our MC, Wendy Lee Curtis.
Hey, BMC Exchange! What's up, y'all? Welcome back, everyone. I want to give a special shout out to all of our virtual attendees. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're incredibly excited to have you here with all of us. So, I hope that y'all had a chance to eat, yes, connect, check out the marketplace. Yes, I heard applause for the marketplace. And of course, reflect on this morning's sessions. Weren't they so powerful? Now we're going to continue to stretch your brains and imagine what's out on the horizon for every autonomous digital enterprise and how industry-leading organizations like Boyd Gaming are preparing for the future today. We'll talk about BMC in the multi-cloud world. And we'll also be recognizing the 2022 BMC Innovation Award winners. Yes. These are the organizations that have embraced opportunities presented with an innovative mindset. And you know, y'all, I'm especially looking forward to the last session that covers successful approaches to business in today's disruptive world. It's a packed afternoon, yep. So let's get to it. Please join me in welcoming your Chief Product Officer, Ali Siddiqui.
Thank you, Wendy Lee, and hello to all of you. I hope you're having a fantastic BMC Exchange. It's only fitting that I'm going to talk to you about BMC innovations, you're getting the theme for the day, in a city that's gaining quick reputation as a major technology hub. So let's talk innovations. You know, about 20 years or so ago, I guess that's when Jason just joined, and it was long before I joined, I remember BMC defined many IT industries. They set the gold standard, from service management with Remedy to workload automation and orchestration. I'm looking for my DBA team. Both for mainframe and distributed. Control-M set the gold standard for workload automation and orchestration. To the mainframe, John is here at least. And what I can tell you today, we are so proud. I am so proud of being part of BMC. We are redefining the same IT industries. And we are doing that by working closely with our customers who are adopting multi-cloud and working with them to solve their biggest challenges. Okay, let's do a poll. A quick question for all of you. How many of you have started using or are considering AI ops for your business? So show of hands, if you're either considering or starting or on a journey using AI ops for your business. Okay, interesting. So from the response, I can say that to be fair, that most of you are either looking or starting this AI ops journey to transform your IT department. With Helix Service Ops and AI Ops, I can tell you, the analysts are saying this, our customers that are adopting Helix Service Ops and AI Ops are getting incredible value and ROI. Helix is truly a transformative technology. Let's talk mainframe. specifically modern mainframe. John McKinney and his team have done an incredible job of building innovations. The mainframe innovations that are coming out is just incredible to see. We are helping modernize the mainframe for those customers who are still on mainframe and will be for the foreseeable future, but also the customers that are going to the cloud with solutions like AMI Ops, AMI Security, AMI AI Ops, and our DevOps CompuWare portfolio. It's truly remarkable what this group has done to produce modern mainframe solutions. And for those of you who are extending DevOps into the mainframe or looking to do collaboration or self-service in a modern mainframe environment, our CompuWare DevOps solution are setting not on just the gold standard, they are the industry leading, but they are very easy to adopt to modernize your DevOps mainframe solution environments. The latest releases, and the group keeps producing releases after releases every year, the latest releases both on the AMI side and CompuWare DevOps side really allow for a modern mainframe and allow, when you combine that with Helix, allow that end-to-end visibility and end-to-end observability for those customers that are combining mainframe with cloud. So Control M has been redefining and defining the industry for many years. It's been a long-standing driver of innovation for every data-driven business and every business that is adopting automation everywhere. Gore Stife and his DBA group has been doing an incredible job. What I can tell you, the engineering feat of this Helix Control M platform, I've been in technology 40 years. Yes, this white hair is real. The engineering feat of this Control M platform for enterprise orchestration, it's just out of the world. And the best part is, we are working with our customers to make sure it delivers value for DevOps, DataOps, and as you move to the cloud, for public cloud automation, for orchestrating complex applications and data flows for the multi-cloud. And now we've introduced with the Integration Factory and MFT in Control M some great public cloud migration and public cloud automation capabilities, integrations with data services, and open source integration. The latest version 21, which we just released of Control M, really lets your organization become more agile, adopt DevOps, be more collaborative with your line of business, and solve the toughest application and data problem that an enterprise has. So I started talking about the unified Helix platform and how transformative it is. I want to call out Margaret Lee and her team. In just a couple of years, they've really come out with this Helix platform, which really represents the next generation of service management, because it combines ESM, ITSM, AIOps, and automation. It's really remarkable. I think we need to go one slide back. Sorry about that. It's really remarkable what that team has done at the R&D group to work with our customers and really redefine service management, ticketing resolution, and AIOps, and produce the next generation of Helix platform for our customers. And what I can tell you, customers that are adopting this unified Helix platform are on the latest release are really getting tremendous ROI and value. It's basically an open platform for observability, business workflow automation, predictive and proactive AI ops with a modern, easy-to-use interface. The latest Helix release not just redefines service management, it also empowers the next generation of IT leaders. With innovations in automation, orchestration, and AI ML, and providing you that easy-to-use user interface, BMC is truly supporting our customers and enterprises' ADE journey. We are very proud of our past. But as Jason, our Chief Revenue Officer, just mentioned, we are also evolving ourselves and really excited how we are powering the future. So speaking of clouds, I am so excited to have a very special guest joining us today. Google Cloud Platform and Google Cloud is an important partner for us. And Helix on Google Cloud is now being offered to our joint customers everywhere in the world. Roshni is the head of customer engineering for Google Cloud Platform. She and her team work tirelessly with customers to innovate around the globe. Please join me in welcoming Roshni Joshi to the stage. There you go, Bhagya. Good job.
How about that music?
I know.
Thank you so much, Ali, for inviting us here
Yeah.
and being a part of this beautiful BMC exchange in Miami. We are super excited, and we look forward to talking about our partnership and how we are jointly helping our customers transform into a autonomous digital enterprise.
Oh, thank you, Roshni. Always exciting to have Google join.
Awesome, awesome. Ali, I wanted to start with this. I know you just talked about multi-cloud. I'll start with our ethos at Google. At Google, we've always believed in an open ecosystem, and we are one of the largest contributors to open source. At Google Cloud, we've carried that forward, and we truly believe that in order for the cloud ecosystem to rise, it needs to be multi-cloud and supportive of hybrid clouds. So therefore, wherever you, our customers, decide to deploy, we believe that you should be able to write your applications once and deploy it anywhere you choose to deploy it, whether that's your public cloud or private cloud. That's our belief system. And with BMC and Google working together, we can deliver the power of AI-powered service ops anywhere you choose to run by running Google or by running BMC on top of GCP.
Awesome news, Roshni. I know Google is synonymous with innovation. You are the AI ML leaders in this space. So with Helix, as you said, running and offering service ops and AI ops, this is transformative for our customers. But how does this all work together?
Absolutely, great question. So first of all, when we are working with our customers and we are helping our customers transform in their journey to build digital capabilities, we are trying to help them with three things. Number one is data democratization. Number two is infrastructure and app modernization. But number three, and most importantly, any customer, any organization that is going through a digital transformation is going to go through a lot of organizational change and change management, right? And we want to help with that through collaboration, through connections, right? With BMC and with Helix, we are able to help customers of any size capitalize on the power and scale of cloud through self-service. So whether you are a digital native or whether you're a Fortune 500, whether you're looking for faster deployment capabilities, you can leverage self-service, you can build self-service, and you can boost your productivity through the Helix, realize your value on cloud even faster. So again, digital natives or a Fortune 500, you can deliver faster application creation and deployment. On the other hand, you can even automate your business flows in order for you to move faster, all through the power of Helix on GCP. Now, how do we work together? Our responsibility is all the undifferentiated heavy lifting. So we do all the patching, all the upgrades, all the capacity planning for you, our customers, so that you can go ahead and focus on what is unique and differentiated for you in your business. So you can focus on your solutioning, your product development, your business outcomes, and we take care of all the underlying undifferentiated heavy lifting for you.
Wow, this is absolutely fantastic for our joint customers. And now with the latest release of Helix, the AI/ML, the service ops, and the AI ops, we are adopting SRE best practices. Google is known for that, and really offering that great employee and customer experience throughout.
Yeah, yeah. So absolutely. Again, SRE is part of what we bring to organizations together. The cloud infrastructure is built for SRE and DevOps. It's designed for speed and scale and democratization. We've heard this morning, we heard Jason talk about how all of us are contributing to 97 zettabytes with 21 zeros behind it, right? Data is the most valuable. Right, when he talks about 21 zeros, that sticks in your brain, right? So data is the most valuable asset that all our organizations have, right? And the data is, like, we've all heard things like data is the new oil, data is the new currency, but when is it most valuable? It is most valuable when it's in the hand of all our users, not just IT, not just technologists, but all our users. And what we do at Google and at BMC is we break down these data silos across organizations so that we can build a new user experiences, new insights. You can run at a global scale and turn data into the predictive and the proactive capabilities that you talked about, help in real-time decision making, and reach everyone across the organization. So with GCP and BMC, our customers can realize the value of data intelligence, that proactive decision making, and then orchestration.
Well, it's great to hear. A lot of value for our joint customers, and you heard it. Google, which wrote the book on SRE with Helix AI Ops now, we really want to offer a lot of value between Helix and Google Cloud to our customers. Yeah. So thank you, Roshni, for joining us. And she and her team are around, so please track her and her team down if you want to learn more about Helix on Google Cloud.
Awesome. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you.
See ya.
Take care.
Oh. Are you going to photobomb? Come on in.
Okay. There you are, Jason.
Sorry about that, mate. When we did the rehearsal yesterday afternoon, I came running out on stage and I picked Ali up in a bear hug and gave him a big, and he was the look on his face was pure terror. He was absolutely, and he saw me coming this time and I could see him no. So anyway, good to be back here, mate. Sorry, I was a little bit late, but I'm here now.
Welcome back, Jason.
Thank you very much.
And Jason, tell me, it's been exciting, BMC Exchange. What do you think of our customer needs? What is it that we jointly as organizations should be doing together?
Well, first of all, it's fantastic to actually hear from customers. I said it earlier today when I was up on stage that we can talk to you anytime you want, but actually hearing what your peers are doing is probably more motivating and how they're evolving and modernizing their business. I think that's the more important conversation to have today.
Yeah, and that's why it's critical for our organization to go to market and R&D to come together, to partner.
We love each other.
Most of the time. But more importantly, we love our customers all the time and partners.
Well done. Good save, mate. Good save.
And we are trying to now understand the emerging needs of automation. I talked about automation, orchestration, AI, ML, AI ops, and mainframe.
So look, I think, I know I joked about it a little bit, but one thing that's happened in this transformation that I referenced earlier is we needed a better feedback loop, right? It was fine. Look, sales opinion is interesting, but it's not really important. It's not important. I don't really pay any bills, right? We normally create bills. So what's really important is getting that feedback loop from the customers, right? And using that to do what we need to do and develop where we're going. And that's the most important part of the relationship that you and I have. But it's also important that we hear from our amazing customers. You know, I'd love to take all the credit, but we definitely know that it's you as the users and consumers of the solutions that we provide to you that actually make the big change and provide better feedback to us so we can keep better doing what we're doing. So there are a bunch of organizations that have embraced the culture of innovation. And normally this part is probably the part that we enjoy the most at BMC, where we get to celebrate on stage with these companies, their innovation that they've done, what we call the Innovation Awards. We do it every year. It's become a bit of a tradition. And I would like to this year welcome up on stage Melanie Vogel, our VP of Solution Engineering, and Jeff Hardy, our VP of Sales in North America, to come up on stage in the Americas to give these awards out.
All right.
Welcome.
Awesome. Take a moment to recognize our fabulous customers and our fabulous partners. Ooh, now you can hear me?
Good.
Say it again. Hey, Jason. Hey, Ollie. Thanks for having us.
Uh-oh, what are you going to do? Yeah, start again?
Yeah. So Jeff and I are here to celebrate some pretty awesome people. And I think I speak for Jeff and myself when we say we're honored to share the stage with you and to really today share our 2022 BMC Innovation Awards.
Look, as a salesperson, the greatest thing is to be able to see it all come together, right? To see value being realized, to see the problem that we set out to solve actually being solved. And this is an opportunity for us to recognize our customers who are the best of the best at that right now. The most innovative, risk-taking, industry-leading, boundary-breaking, limits-pushing organizations that we have the privilege of working with. So let's get the show on the road. All right, so our first winner of the 2022 Innovation Awards is actually a company that excels not just at protecting its people, but at protecting its business through their use of technology. So I'd like to welcome Todd Hamilton from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama to the stage. Todd,
Hi,
come on up.
Keep talking, Jeff.
Congratulations, it's for you. Thanks.
Hey, congratulations. Now go.
I'm not
So
going
Blue
to send the middle.
Gotta wait
Right,
for the
Todd.
music to fade.
Go. Hold that. Hold that. Take a photo.
So Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama is the largest provider of healthcare benefits in Alabama.
we take it back.
Today, they're
Sorry.
being recognized for their DevOps journey and their modernization efforts. They were looking to become more agile from a development standpoint and wanted to have a more modern architecture to support it. Using modern mainframe tools and Control-M, they've seen immediate cost reductions through increased automation and efficiency gains. And what's especially relevant to all of us in today's environment is that they're able to attract the next generation of developers to support their business. Using their words, they are light years of where they were even just a year and a half ago, which is exciting to hear. And we're excited to continue working with Todd and his team on their DevOps journey so they can continue to cover what matters. Todd, thanks again and congratulations. Keep in mind, you'll also hear more from Todd in tomorrow's panel, so don't miss it. One more big round of applause for Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama.
All right.
Now, key to our success are really the innovators in our ecosystem. They're an extension of how BMC helps organizations around the world continue to derive value from their technology investments and also set themselves up for the future. So come on up here. We'd like to introduce Mark Harrow and Brian Tipton with NTT Data.
Woo!
Yeah, NTT.
Congratulations. Thanks. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Good to see you.
Hold this for a minute.
Now, for those of you who don't know, NTT is huge, but NTT Data is one of the world's largest digital consulting and IT services companies. They've been around for a long time and a really great partner of BMC for over 15 years.
Thank you.
Forgot your shiny envelope. There you go.
Get your envelope.
Subtle, I know.
It's all good.
Yeah. And our work together spans innovative approaches and deployments and mainframe, distributed cloud, and even dedicated customer platforms. The cool thing is, over the years, NTT Data has been instrumental in helping our customers across 6 continents, really, adopt cutting-edge solutions to modernize their environments and gain even greater value with their investments, to build on their success, but also lead in their industries. And I'm honored we get to work with Mark and Brian and the entire NTT Data team to lead innovation with BMC Helix as their preferred choice to deliver greater business outcomes. More excited, actually, than what we could do together in the future. There's so much coming up right now. So you'll hear more from them and NTT Data on the panel tomorrow as well.
Awesome.
One more big round.
Congratulations, NTT Data. Okay, our next award is our incredible partner, co-innovator, and a huge part of our shared success, CyberMac. Please welcome Taz and Colin Miranda to the stage.
All right, Taz. All right, Colin.
Woo. Taz, congrats.
Congrats, George. Thank you so much.
Okay, so CyberMac has worked with us at BMC as an innovation partner for over 20 years. And through our collaboration, we've been able to share resources and insights into evolving industry trends and bring in new perspectives and solutions that enable businesses to better meet customer needs. Through our partnership, our customers reap the benefits from cross-domain knowledge and industry-specific use cases, while CyberMac complements and augments BMC's solution to maximize value and enhance the customer experience. Today, they're being recognized for their game-changing solutions innovation that now reach outside of traditional IT and into operations and consumers. They've been key to expanding the power of Helix with customers to accelerate cloud adoption by co-innovating with BMC on enterprise solutions like Fleet Control with BMC Innovation Labs and Helix for customer service management with BMC product management teams, and co-hosting BMC cloud offerings in CyberMac Helix as a service. We're grateful to have incredible partners like Taz, Colin, and their entire team, and we can't wait to grow our partnership so we can better serve our customers and the world together. Congratulations, Taz and Colin. Thank you for your partnership. Oh, I'll have to give them their envelope later. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I hope Kim Simon didn't go far. Kim, are you around? Can you join us one more time? All right. Please join us again on stage to accept this award on behalf of your team at MasterCard. Big round of applause for Kim and the MasterCard team. Congratulations. Hang on, I have your envelope. Wait, that one's yours.
Is that the money?
That is the money, yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Okay, so as you all heard moments ago, there's incredible innovation happening with MasterCard that allows them to better serve their customers so their customers can get the most bang for their buck. They're receiving this award for their SaaS migration that's opened up a new world of possibilities and capabilities for knowledge management, self-service, and accessibility. MasterCard has been pioneering technology for over 50 years to make payments simpler, smarter, and safer for people and businesses across the globe. And that's good news for all of us in the digital economy. With almost 400 million transactions per day, and sometimes I feel like I have a lot of those, actionable insights, business agility, and customer centricity is essential. So congratulations to you, Kim, and the team at MasterCard. We're honored to move forward with you every day. One more round of applause for Kim.
That's Kim. All right, change the sequence. Last night, I had a really cool opportunity to meet a couple of customers from the NIH, and I see you guys sitting right over there, National Institute of Health. And it reminded me, as we was kind of settling down for the night, how much our customers mean to me, and not just to do a transaction, but in our lives every day. And I have to say, I'm going to announce this next winner after I take you through a 20-second mini story just to prove my point. So it's about this time of year, when I was a little girl, my sister and I were trying to figure out what we're going to be for Halloween. So it was obviously a little girl. Madonna was hot. I was Madonna one year. Little rubber bracelets, way too much unflattering neon, and some crimped hair. My sister and I, we would hit the neighborhood pretty quick to see like who could grab the most stuff. we're competitive. So what we did was we get home, throw all the candy on the floor, you start to trade, you get the Almond Joys out of the way for mom.
Yep.
My father used to come in and he'd be like, oh, you can't eat that, that's gonna rot your teeth, and oh, you're gonna get sick to your stomach. He really just wanted the Milk Duds. But I remember this one time I would sit there and I'd be like, Papa don't preach, I'm in Hershey deep. So our next award winner, the Hershey Company, they really do stay without our lives. Now my kids have come and gone and done all that, and they know exactly which house gives the full-size bars.
I also assume the National Institutes of Health would corroborate the fact that chocolate is actually good for you.
Yep.
In a lot of respects. So.
Right, with a glass of red wine, it's true. They're unable to join us today, but they're worth that sweet story, I think. So the Hershey Company is really one of the world's largest chocolate delight manufacturers. To satisfy their customers, they have to get those right ingredients, and they've got to get the right amounts, and they've got to get them shipped to the right locations every single day. This requires thousands of intricate and complex jobs, interdependent jobs that look about data processing, data transfers, data analysis, stakeholder reporting on a multi-cloud environment, and really seamless integrations. By using Control-M, or Control-M, as Jason says, Hershey integrates, automates, and orchestrates applications and data workflows across a complex and changing technology ecosystem, which is cool. By automating processes across on-prem and cloud-based systems, Control-M makes it simple and sweet to keep you chocolate lovers happy. So, there you have it. Congratulations, Hershey.
Thanks for Halloween, Hershey's.
All right, and then we have one more, I think.
I think it's yours, though.
I'll take it. So our next winner not only creates connections that make the unimaginable possible, but they also, they're not afraid to take a challenge head on. By moving their service management from on-prem environment to a BMC Helix, we gotta congratulate Ericsson. So we'll give them a round. They aren't able to make it today.
That's all right.
Yeah.
They're preparing to trick or treat, potentially.
That's right, that's right. So Ericsson, founded in 1876, is a provider of critical information and communication technology services. They were faced with over 300,000 tickets per month and over 1 million orders per year. And they wanted to converge their IT operations and their IT service management to really drive an enterprise-wide automation. Like, who doesn't, right? So using BMC Helix ITSM and BMC Helix Digital Workplace, their quest for easy to improve operational efficiency, but really boost employee morale, it became real with that automation. In just 8 months, Jeff, I gotta tell you, they moved their SaaS solution to support over 1.4 million tickets and over 25,000 chatbot interactions. Yeah.
That's awesome.
That is awesome, right?
Yeah.
So let's give one more round for Ericsson since they couldn't make it today.
Okay, so for all of the award winners, frankly, for all of the partners and customers in the room, I want to thank you for your partnership. Like I said, it's so exciting to see what you've been able to accomplish in working with BMC and our partners. We're grateful that you chose to be here with us today. One final time, let's have one more round of applause for our Innovation Award winners. Congratulations, everyone. You're an inspiration to us all. Thank you.
Yeah.
We good?
All right. Thanks.